Good evening, everyone, or rather, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you may be. Maz is okay speaking to us. I watched a video, someone sent me a video that really, on the surface, it might not mean so much to you, but it really broke my heart. And I called it the pauperisation of the Nigerian masses. Now, here are people standing on a queue to get, Salah gift. And, looking at it, I asked myself, if my parents were to be alive, would they kind of be in that kind of place where they will have to stand hours just to get food from someone? While I'm not, let it not be that I'm not appreciating whoever is behind that, but the video breaks my heart in the sense that the elite have actually made the people poor. And in making the people poor, they have succeeded in, getting our parents to be in this way. You just watch this video. I mean, oh, Jesus Christ. It's hard for me to watch. I don't know. Somehow, whatever we do, our advocacy, we must continue and get to the point that our people are mentally, reformed. Because the next election will come, probably these same people here would go take 5,000, 3,000 and vote people in, and this cycle continues. This is nothing but sheer, elevation of poverty, because that's what it is. This is what it is. People could say, oh, how many have you given? It's not about me giving or them giving, but it's about the distribution of commonwealth. Distribution of commonwealth. This pauperization of the people standing on the queue for so many hours just to get something. It's unbelievable. Watch the
I know I entered the video. That's why I just see what I watch.